Hey guys, my name is Sean Liu. I'm the product manager at ViewSonic. Welcome to InfoComm 2025. What you see behind me is our newest IR touch display. It's the IFP7551. And something unique about this is a fully Google Android EDI certified panel, meaning that you get the Google Play Store, you get all the Google Play services running, and at the same time you get all the security features from Google, such as Google Play Protect, data encryption, two-step authentication, things like that. And at the same time, it's also compatible with Google Workspace. So you can use Google Workspace to manage a panel with the profile settings, with users, account logins, etc. And also you can use our ViewSonic exclusive manager software to manage the panel, the hardware itself, such as turning the device on and off. You can schedule it to turn on at a certain time, shut down at a certain time. You can push apps directly from an online remote dashboard. And it's also compatible with Microsoft Intune as well. So there's different options you can use to manage a panel. And we have this panel upgraded with a built-in microphone on top and enhanced speaker to 70 watts total for this generation. And I think with the pen sensor built in, now if you want to annotate on a screen, you can just pick up the pen and you can start writing on the screen right away. It mimics the same experience as a regular whiteboard. It gives you a quick and fast access to writing on the panel. Instead of activating the pen tool and choose the color, choose the pen, and writing, this gives you an instant access to writing on the board. It's the same as like a dry erase board people would use. Just pick up the marker and start writing on the board right away. So if you need more information, feel free to check out our website at viewsonic.com. Thank you.